again with just a little small short, just a short video of just 2 items that I purchased off of Facebook Marketplace here recently. So the first item, it actually came in this huge box, and the lady sent the actual bag that it came in. So let me show you guys what I got. And then here is the box. I mean, she sent everything, so I was excited about that. So let me show you guys what I got. So here it is. It's like a little T. Rose Coach bag charm or whatever, and it has the, I think this is the gunmetal or graphite or something like that. I'm not sure the correct name of it, but a real shiny, like a grayish color, super duper cute. And this thing is like brand new, and y'all, these retail for, I want to say like $100 and something. I'm not exactly sure because that's how much people be charging, but y'all, I got this off of Facebook Marketplace. $25. Sure did, and sure bought it. When I saw that, I was like, yes ma'am. And so I went on Mercari, and people are selling these for $50, $60, $70, $80, $90, and you know, $100. So $25, can't beat that. Super duper cute. So cute. And this will go good with my Parker backpack. So I just want to show you guys that. So that is my first item that I got. And then the next item that I purchased off of Marketplace is another bag charm. And it's one that I had looked at a while back, but I never got it. So here it is. And it's like the red, white, and blue star bag charm. Like I said, purchased this one off of Marketplace also. She said it was used or whatever. It's in excellent condition. I didn't see anything wrong with it. It has the silver hardware. And y'all, guess how much I paid for this one? $25 once again. Y'all, I'm telling y'all, Facebook Marketplace is the place. They be having some really good stuff on there. So I got this one. And here lately, that's where I've been getting a lot of my charms from, is off of the Marketplace. Because I remember seeing this one right here on the Coach outlet site, and I'm not sure how much it was, but it wasn't $25. I do know that. And I know these people resell these for a nice little penny also. So yeah, I just want to show you guys my 2 charms to my collection. And like always, if you guys have any questions, just let me know, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.